Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesign.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I'm obviously out in front of my house right now, so we're doing something on the porch. If you saw me paint the front door, then you know I'm kind of obsessed with getting this sorted out this year. Like, it's the year, let me tell you, to love my house. It's been 20 years in this house, so there needs to be updates and changes. But right now what I'm dealing with is the fact that there's no light on my porch. We have can lights, but when you come home at night and you haven't been home and you didn't have the lights on before you left, it's super duper dark out here in the country. So I bought solar lights for my porch. So porch lights. Right now, this is what we got. Let me show you. See the snowman? My husband just leaves the snowman plugged in because he doesn't like the dark up here. And I'm like, I totally agree, but there has to be a better solution. So I got these solar lights, and I can link them in the description below. I'm not sponsored. Got them on Amazon. They screw down, but they also have double-sided tape, which I'm going to use first to make sure that they work where they are. And what I thought was along here, so that there would be light close to the door, because this gets full sun in the afternoon. So we're going to try these out and see how they do. But it just sits on the edge. I got 4 of them to try out. So I thought 2 along here, and then I can put 2 over there just to, you know, make it less gloomy when you drive up. But I'm going to do the double-sided tape thing first and then screw it down if that works. Because if it doesn't work, there's no point in keeping them there. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what? I'm going to clean this. Let me get something to clean that first. Got a mommy bird who's super angry at me. She's built a nest in that tree right there. So we can't get rid of the tree right now. But she's really, really upset. And I'm going to do this as fast as I can, Mama. I promise. I'll get you out of here, okay? I'm just going to clean a spot so that the tape sticks. Ew. That was really dirty. I don't even think it was that dirty, but okay. So I'm just going to use the double-sided tape. Don't look at my belly. And I want one as close to the door as I can get. So I'm going to try this here for right now. And then if this doesn't work, I can move them. And if it does work, I will permanently adhere them with some screws. So I'm going to leave those there. Let these charge up and we see how they do tonight. I'm going to put another one down here. And then if they work, I can get rid of the snowman. Jeff doesn't know I'm doing this. Nobody tell him. Okay? I just cleaned that. So I got 4 of these suckers. Ooh, do I have to turn it on first? There's an on-off switch. What? I didn't turn that one on. Why would they put them underneath? Okay, that makes no sense. Have to pull that one off, turn it on. It's an on-off switch. Okay, let's hope they're on. Okay, let me turn this other one on. See if I can turn it on here. Okay, pull it off. Oh! Oh, it came on, so that's cool. I put my hand over it to press down and that one came on. This one came on too. They're on. Yay! And then I think here I'll just do one in the middle of each of these porch rails just to brighten it up a bit. I painted this last year, so we should be good at that for at least another year. There, that came on. It's on. Now we just have to wait till dark and see how it do. Okay. But I've got those two and those two, and then we'll just see how it comes out. Like, is it bright enough to get rid of our little snowman there? Let's hope so. But there's the little mama bird protecting her babies back there. She's terrified I'm out here, so let's go in and give her some peace. Y'all, they're looking good. My light on my camera came on. Let me see if I can turn that off. Okay, I got it off. Ooh, they look good. They brighten it up quite a bit. I still have, see, a little snowman on, but I think I want to unplug him and see how that looks. I don't know. I might have to see once it gets a little bit darker. We'll have to see. These don't look too bad over here. It just sort of lighted up a little bit. Okay, as you can tell, it is proper dark now. It's not too bad. I mean, it doesn't bright light up the front door, but that's not too bad. These don't look bad either. Might still have to see if we can figure out something for next to the door. Snowman may have to come back, but I like these. This isn't bad. It lights up the steps real nice, so nobody will be tripping up the steps in the dark. Yeah, I think we can screw them down. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.